Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove Capcut template watermark. So let me show you the information we need to share with you. There's a simple solution for that, and the first method is the easiest way is you don't need to do any fancy video editing software or any apps. You can do it right inside the Capcut itself. This method only works for the automatic watermark, not for the template ones. If you used a template with its logo, you will want to skip ahead to method 2. And uh, so here's how to do it. The first method, open your video in Capcut. Look at the timeline at the bottom of your screen. You should see all the clips that make up your video. And then scroll to the very end of the timeline. You'll see a separate clip with the Capcut logo. That's your watermark. Please tap on the watermark clip to select it and click on the dump can icon to delete it. And now go ahead and save your video like you normally would. And ta-da! No more automatic watermark. But it's like magic, but simpler. You just zapped out the watermark away without spending a dime. Now, if you're thinking, hold on, I don't see a separate watermark clip. Don't panic, sometimes the watermark is hidden within the last video clip. In that case, try trimming the very end of your video slightly. Just be careful not to cut off any important footage. And the second method is editing techniques. Alright, so maybe method 1 didn't work for you, or you want to try something more fun. And so if you are dealing with a template watermark of Capcut, if you want to get creative with your Capcut video editing, you can just crop it out. If the watermark is hanging out in a corner, you can use the crop tool to cut it out of the picture. This will make your video a little smaller. And you can also blur it. Capcut has a blur tool. You can use it to make watermark less noticeable. You can try blurring the entire background and putting text over to it to draw attention away from the watermark. You can also cover it up, get creative, add stickers, emojis, or other elements to your Capcut videos to cover the watermark completely. You could even use a shape or an image that fits the theme of your video. These methods might take a little more time and effort, but they can be a lot fun to experiment with. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can remove your Capcut template watermark. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.